Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. What's up guys, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today we're talking about Emmanuel Gyamfi. He has been called up by the board. He's been summoned after he used the strike, our previous sponsors. He used a strike bag like a trolley to Sudan, and that caused a lot of chaos on the social media, and this brought ridicule to the club. So the club has called him and they'll be talking to him. If he'll be sanctioned, he'll be sanctioned by the club and he'll be punished for what he did. That was not supposed to happen. We have to use our current sponsors, their products, their bags, their shoes, everything should be provided by our current sponsors, not strike. So Kotoko are not happy with this and they have decided to summon Emmanuel Gyamfi, and he's going to be sanctioned by the club. Now, if you look at our game against Liberty Professionals, you notice that Asante Kotoko didn't play with any natural wingers, played a 4-4-3 formation, and Emmanuel Gyamfi came in the second half as a sub. He didn't start that game probably because of the current problem he's having with the club. And when he came in, interesting is that when he came in against Liberty Professionals, Abdul Ghani offered to give him the captain armband, but he rejected it and told Abdul Ghani to keep the captain armband. I don't know why he did that, but it was actually nice to see that he wanted Abdul Ghani to keep the captain armband. Well, Kotoko might not renew Emmanuel Gyamfi's contract. His contract ends this year, May 21st, and the reports are stating that they have no intention of renewing his contract because of his current form and his recent behavior towards the club, and they are hoping that they are going to sign replacement before they let him go. So I'll be doing another video to talk about players Kotoko are currently linked with or are in talks with or are currently going to buy this January. In another video, I'll post them here in this channel. So if you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. So I would like to know your thoughts. Do you think Kotoko should keep Emmanuel Gyamfi? Do you think he should leave? I would like to know your thoughts. Put them down in the comment section and tell me what you think about the overall situation, because personally I think what Emmanuel Gyamfi did with the strike trolley was a very, very bad thing, and it shouldn't be done in a club like Kotoko. Kotoko is the biggest club in Ghana and one of the biggest in Africa, and we should not be making mistakes like that. So I felt that what he did wasn't professional, and if he's sanctioned, I think he deserves it. He deserves to be sanctioned. But if that will influence his contract situation at Kotoko, it's going to be very terrible for him, because some fans actually like him. Some fans say sometimes he's good, sometimes he's not good. Some fans feel that he has nothing else to offer to Kotoko, that he should leave. So I'd like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think about the situation. I think that's all for now. If you're new here, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Till next time guys, goodbye.